Okay, last video got pretty long. I think this one's gonna be a lot shorter. I'm gonna show you in this video how to set background images in CSS. So let's just select the body and let's make a background image. So you would go to URL and put quotations and put the location of your image. The location of your image could be in your directory, or it could be also somewhere on the internet, which is what I'm going to do right now. So this is where the image is, and it's just going to go and it's going to download it. Okay. All right, there's the image. And you can notice right here that there's like a cut. The image is resetting. That's sort of all that I could see in this example. Different images will be a little bit different, but you can see right here when it's full screen that it's resetting right here. And usually you don't want that. Usually you want your background image to just cover your entire screen, no matter what, no matter how small or how big your screen gets. You want it to just cover it. So the first thing that we could do to get that is we could set the size to cover. Okay, let's see this. It looks better now because it's not repeating, but if you look, whoops, now it's repeating. So we still don't want that. We still want it to just cover. In order to get it to cover at all screen sizes, you have to inevitably get some parts of the image to get cropped out. So that's what we're going to do. So what you want to do here is, since we're setting it to the body, so it's the entire background of our website, you want to set it to background attachment fixed. That just means it's going to set it based off the screen size, based off your window size. It's going to set it like that. So this looks a lot better right now. So now you can resize this as much as you want. The last thing I want to show you before ending the video is setting the position of it. So background position, we could set it to, let's say, left, center. Let's see what that's like. Okay, so what that means is the left of the image, if you look at this little building right here in the image, this is always going to be in view. See right here, like these waterfalls over here, they're getting cut out. But if you want to leave the waterfalls and you want to make this side get cropped out, you could do right center. See, it makes a big difference. And depending on what your image is, there might be more detail on a certain side that you don't want to get cropped out. So it's pretty useful. Also notice that, so the second one is center. So the second one is for the vertical. So the top and bottom is being cropped out equally. And the center is staying perfect. But if you wanted the bottom to always just stay the same. What did I do there? I got 2. So now the bottom's always going to stay here. So this bottom isn't going to get cropped out. And then if you do the top won't get cropped out. So this background position actually makes a huge difference to what your actual website's going to look like on different screen sizes. All right, and that just about wraps it up for backgrounds.